Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio, Roselle, New Jersey. We have Roxy's bike here from Pennsylvania. Roxy started, she went to another shop, got a basic audio upgrade done, then just realized it just wasn't enough for her. She did the standard PRV in the front, Rockford lid kit, Rockford amplifier, but she just didn't feel that she was getting the sound she wanted. So now she's going all in. We're doing 10s in the bags, sealing the bags, running Sound Digital 3000, Lithium battery, and Euphoria xpert speakers. This can be a pretty nice upgrade. So here's the before. At some point, she blew the Rockford 6 mines, and somebody thought it would be a good idea to downgrade her to some power-based 6 mines, which of course she wasn't happy with at all. This is not a wiring rescue. They use T-spec oxygen-free copper wire. This is the V10 series, and they use mini A&L fuse holder, and they have it nicely tucked behind the side cover. We personally like to use the other side cover, but there's absolutely nothing wrong with that. There's no wire exposed, furls were used. I'm very happy with the way this bike is wired. Even in the front, termination to the wires is done perfectly. Very nice job. Amplifier secured in place with Velcro. I have no problem with that. And there's the other Sound Digital amp, nicely tucked. So on Roxy's bike, somebody thought it'd be a good idea to put the distribution blocks in the fairing and drill holes in the fairing to mount the blocks. So now she has permanent holes in her fairing. These can be mounted to the factory radio bracket or wire tied. I cannot believe she's gonna be happy about that. Getting all wired up. All the speaker cables ran through the backbone. Furl connectors on the horn tweeters. Work of the bag is nice and clean. Some NVS Audio 10s, 25mm horns. Quick disconnects to make the bag completely serviceable and removable. Lex racks installed, waiting for the two 1200.2s. And the 3000.1 goes in the tour pack.